In this video, we will write a Python function that takes in a given string and returns a new string with the first, middle, and last characters only. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to define a function, and I can call this remix, that will take in a given string. I can call this word, and now I just need to get the first, middle, and last characters only. So to get the first character from my word, I can create a variable called first and set it equal to word bracket 0 to get the first character at index 0 from my word variable. Alright, I can then do something similar to get my middle character, but I need to calculate the middle index of my word. So I can do middle equals word, and then I'm going to use Python's length function to get the length of my word variable. So I can do len word, and then I'm going to divide it by 2. I'm going to use floor division here, which are these two backslashes, because index needs to be a whole number. Alright, but if the word happens to be of even length, I'll need to grab 2 characters as my middle instead. So I can check for that by doing if length of word mod 2 equals 0. So this will say if the remainder of the length of word divided by 2 is 0, then I know it's even. So I can simply repeat what I did before. So I say middle equals word brackets length of word divided by 2, but this time I will grab the character before it. So I'll do 2 minus 1, and then I'll simply add what I did before afterwards. Alright, so finally I need to grab the last character. So I can do last equals word brackets length of word minus 1. And this will give me the index position of the last character. And because the index position started at 0, I need to subtract 1 from my count of letters. So then I can just return my variables and the characters they hold. So I just do return first plus middle plus last. So let's try calling it remix. Let me pass in a word. Let me do hello. Alright, let's try running it. And we get HLO. So let me try an even length word, plural. Let's try running that. And we get PURL. Alright, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have a prompt you'd like me to try, please leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for your time.